They're going to sing a song, and I'm afraid that everybody's going to start leaving before the final choir comes over. But please bear with us. This is a night for celebrating. This is a night for thanking God for taking James home. And thank you, James. Goodbye, my friend.
So we're going to say our farewell song. Join in if you know the words. More,